Do you believe that in this day and age there are people that are still related to the Prophet Muhammad?
Dan alangkah baiknya subscribe biar pada
That are still related
menerima
to the Prophet
kebaikan.
Muhammad?
Yes, there are people today who are considered descendants of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. These individuals are often referred to as Sayyids or Sharifs.
This is absolutely crazy what just happened to us. We start filming today, we check our emails because a lot of you guys send us videos you want us to react to, you want to comment on, and guess what? We looked at this. One of you guys just sent us a message that said that you are actually related to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He said, "Hi Han, just saw your YouTube video about descendants of the Prophet. I am one of them. Below is a certificate that proves it. This is from an organization that's present in Egypt and Saudi who looks through family trees and finds the descendants. My family is one of the families in the 1900s that they informed us of this."
Seperti yang biasa dilakukan Hans dan Kelly yang selalu bertanya kepada ChatGPT. Kali ini mereka penasaran tentang jumlah anak yang dimiliki oleh Nabi Muhammad SAW. Hingga mereka lanjut bertanya, apakah masih ada garis keturunan Nabi Muhammad hingga saat ini? Namun, siapa sangka, tidak lama setelah mereka menayangkan video tentang keturunan Nabi Muhammad SAW, mereka langsung dihubungi oleh seseorang yang mengaku sebagai keturunan beliau. Tentu saja hal ini membuat mereka sangat terkejut bukan main. Kalau begitu, langsung saja kita simak video